Do you know how to extract the data from the sentence, like in this example? For example, we have the January month, and we want to extract it in different cell. And of course, if we change the date, it should be dynamic. Guys, let's go! As the first step, we write equal REGEXEXTRACT. We select the cell where it's our date, comma, and we put the formula that I have already prepared for you and that you will find also in the description. Press enter, and in just 1 second we got our result, extracting the data from the sentence. Very cool. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.